frontman of Yothu Yindi band and frontman of Yothu Yindi Foundation. I'm here to explain a little bit of what Yothu Yindi is, where its beginnings are, how we started, and where we've taken the music of Yothu Yindi and why. We've taken Yothu Yindi's music, people's choice of Australian music, right across the world in order to let people from outside of Australia know a little bit of indigenous music of this country. What features in our music highly is, of course, the yirdaki, the didgeridoo, which is the basis of our regional heritage. We've been able to take the yirdaki outside of Australia and let people who are wondering why the yirdaki is so important for indigenous Australian music and why Yothu Yindi has been able to blend it to make it part of what we present on stage. We've been able to take to the world a music that's been with us for something like 60,000, maybe more years of heritage that's no other culture can compare. The Australian indigenous people can show and let people know about how we can blend that is of something that is 60,000 years old to that of today's contemporary modern Australian music, blending with contemporary modern music of today, and still accepted. And that is why yirdaki is so important. That's why we respect it, because it is what it is that compares with modern day knowledge of music and instruments, and the way it sits in with contemporary modern music today. Which brings me to the origins of yirdaki. The origins of yirdaki can be measured down to a fraction of intellectual property of what the original Australians think of. To me, it is the yirdaki is a mother, and I'm the Yothu. Yirdaki is the mother, and I'm the Yothu. I'm what yirdaki created me, and that's how I think of it. My mother was the creator or the owner of its original beginnings of yirdaki. That's why I call it my Yindi, and I'm the Yothu. And that's why I like to explain it to other people, to know the intellectual property and the ownership for copyright that I ascertain. You can measure it down to a fraction of its beginnings. Its original idea of making its place in a known civilization should be shared. And we share that common knowledge, but the intellectual knowledge we keep as sacred, so we can pass it down to the next generation. And that's how it has been in our case up in the top end of Australia, where I come from, where the original yirdaki and its beginning started from. Some things I can't tell you because it's considered to be sacred secret knowledge that can only be passed down to the next generation in order for the idea to be kept as it is in its solid form. And we can only pass it down through music, through educating the next generation who will keep that secret for the next generation after them. That's how we keep it. And yirdaki is very important part of our lives for intellectual purposes, and its way as it is seen through music. It's used for public. It's used for sacred knowledge as well as public, and that is its complex ways in which we use it. And its complex ways in which we use it must be respected. In that way, it keeps us alive, it keeps us going on for generations. Well, I would like to know just where the original ideas are. And this way I say, how can they tell us where the beginnings of their yirdaki, their style came up from? I've yet to know about it, but I've never been told of their beginnings. And I'm still looking for it, but I'd like to know where their beginnings started from. Probably was very difficult for me to understand or know their beginnings, you know. I know where my beginnings start. I can tell that. Some of it is restricted knowledge. I can't tell you on camera right now. But elders that take you and start to train your mind tell you about that original ideas and where it started from, why it started, why it's there for us to utilize today. And but for other people, I can't really understand where their beginnings of the yirdaki started from. Otherwise, I'd know about it and I'd include it as part of my beginnings as well.